Imagine a chef cat in the kitchen busy cooking. And this video has gotten millions of views. The TikTok channel orange.cat899 with this style of videos has 3.4 million subscribers and 40.6 million likes, and all its videos have gone viral. Let's watch one of the videos together and see what the secret to getting so many views is. So, what makes this style of videos so popular? And how can we also create such clips and get tons of views? You're just 4 steps away from creating a viral video. Step 1. Writing a prompt with ChatGPT. Step 2. Creating an image with Leonardo AI. Step 3. Turning the image into a video with Hailuo AI. Step 4. Removing the watermark and final editing with CapCut. Before we start the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to the Learn New Skills channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it. Ready? Let's dive into the tutorial. First, go to the ChatGPT website. We plan to use this tool to generate suitable prompts for creating images. For ChatGPT to create the prompts we need, we first need to provide it with a specific text or scenario. I have already prepared a PDF file containing 5 short and interesting stories. These stories cover various themes, such as a cat cooking, a cat going grocery shopping, a cat driving, a cat visiting a coffee shop, a cat going to the beach. You can download this file from the Telegram channel. Pick one of the stories, copy the text, and paste it into chat section of ChatGPT. After entering the prompt in ChatGPT, click on the Send button. Now that we have the prompts, it's time to turn them into images. I personally use Leonardo AI, but you can try any AI image generation tool you prefer. Search for Leonardo AI in your browser and enter the website. Click on Get Started. First, you need to sign up on the site. You can use your Apple, Google, Microsoft account, or email to register. After signing up, click on the Image Creation option. To create an image with Leonardo AI, follow these settings exactly as I do. In the Preset section, click on the Phoenix 1.0 option. In the Style section, select the 3D Render option. In the Image Dimension section, click on More and then choose the appropriate size for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now, go back to the ChatGPT website, copy the prompts in order, and paste them into the prompt section in Leonardo AI. After pasting the prompt in Leonardo AI, click on the Generate button and wait a few moments for a high-quality, watermark-free image to be created for you. Once the image is generated, select one of the images and download it. To download the image, click on the Download button below the image. Follow these same steps for the remaining images as well. When all the images are ready, it's time to turn them into a video. For this, I use the Hailuo AI Artificial Intelligence. Type Hailuo AI in your browser. Click on this site. Click on Sign In and register on the site using your Google account. After signing up, to convert images into a video, click on the Create option and then select Image to Video. Click on the Upload button and select one of the images you downloaded from Leonardo AI to upload it. Now, go back to ChatGPT and type this text so that ChatGPT can generate a specialized prompt for converting images to video for you. Type, I want you to create an image to video prompt for each of the prompts. Then, click the Send button. You will see that ChatGPT generates specific prompts that allow you to convert the images into a video with the best details. Copy the prompt that matches the image you created and paste it into the prompt section in Hailuo AI. To start the video generation process, click on this option. Wait a little while for your video to be created. Repeat these steps to convert the rest of the images into videos as well. You can convert up to 3 images into videos for free daily. This is the result of converting images into a video using Hailuo AI that you are now viewing. To download the video, simply click on the download option. Step 4. Removing watermarks and editing videos with CapCut. At this stage, we'll edit the videos created with Hailuo AI to achieve a professional and engaging output. First, import the videos you created with Hailuo AI into CapCut and drag them into the timeline. Since this video is intended for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, it's better for each clip to be between 3 to 4 seconds to create an appealing rhythm. To ensure your video displays correctly on YouTube and TikTok, you need to adjust the aspect ratio. To set the video's aspect ratio, click on the ratio option and select 9:16 to make it suitable for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Removing the watermark at the bottom of the video. To remove the watermark, click on the crop option. Adjust the frame so that the watermark is removed. Click on Confirm. For better display, zoom in slightly on the video to fill the entire screen. Repeat this process for all videos. Adding transitions. Adding transitions makes the shift between clips smoother and more appealing. To add a transition to the video, go to the Transitions tab. Select the black fade effect. Place it between the videos so they blend together seamlessly. Adding sound effects to the video. Adding sound effects to the video makes the viewing experience more engaging and impactful. To download a sound effect, search for Pixabay in your browser. Click on the website and enter the site. In the search bar, type the name of the sound effect related to your video. Set the filter to sound effect. Select and download the desired sound effect. To download the sound effect, click on the download icon next to it. Drag the audio file into the timeline and sync it with the video. Adding suitable music. The right music gives the video a unique vibe and keeps the audience more involved. To download music, search for relaxing instrumental music on the Pixabay website. Set the filter to music. Select and download the desired track. Add it to the timeline and adjust its volume. After finishing the edits, click on Export to render the video. Choose a name for your video. Adjust the video quality and frame rate. Click on Export to prepare the final output file. Here's the final video, ready with all the details and professional effects. I hope you enjoy the result. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments and like the video. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to never miss any new videos. Until the next video, goodbye.